Chapter 11. Plants. There are different types of plants around us. They differ in shape and size. A plant can be divided into two parts: shoot system and root system. The stem, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits are above the soil. The part above the plant, which grows above the soil, is known as the shoot system. The roots grow deep inside the soil and fix the plants firmly to the soil. They also help the plant absorb water and nutrients from the soil. The roots form the root system. Types of roots. Roots are of two types: taproot and fibrous root. Fat zone. Some plants store starch and carbohydrates as food in their roots. Taproot. When a main root grows from the end of the stem and many small hair-like roots grow from its sides, it is called a taproot. A taproot grows down straight. It is long and sturdy. Plants like cotton, carrot, bean, ha-isam, pea and mustard have taproots. Fibrous root. A fibrous root consists of many small roots which branch out from the base of the stem. Grass, wheat and rice plants have fibrous roots. Importance of roots. Roots take in water and minerals from the soil. They travel through the stem to other parts of the plant. This helps the plant to grow. In deserts and dry areas, roots of cactus plants spread deep into the soil in search of water. Some plants store food in their roots. We eat such roots. Carrot, turnip and radish are the examples of such roots. Roots like yam and tapioca are eaten during a famine. Roots hold the plant firmly to the soil. Thus, even when a strong wind blows, the plant don't get uproot. Heavy rain and a strong wind wash blow away the topsoil. This is called soil erosion. Roots bind the soil and prevent soil erosion. Special roots. Mangroves. Mangrove trees grow in marshy areas which have clay soil. The soil holds a lot of water and very little air. They have roots that grow above water. The roots hold the tree in place as well as allow the plants to breathe. Fat zone. Plants that grow in marshy areas are called mangroves. Their roots grow above the soil to take in air that is required by the plant. Such roots are called breathing roots. Prop roots. The roots that grow from the ground and supports the stem above the ground are called prop roots. They sometimes get attached to the soil and provide additional support to the plant. Aerial roots. Aerial roots are roots that are not covered by soil. These roots fix themselves to the ground and become like thick trunks. Water storage. Roots. Roots of some plants, like the asparagus and pumpkin, store water for the plant during the dry summer months. Buttress roots. Buttress roots are large roots that grow on all sides of a tall tree. The roots support the plant and allow it to absorb more nutrients. Propagative roots. Some plants can multiply with the help of their roots. These plants produce buds among the roots that grow near the surface of the ground. As these plants propagate with the help of their roots, these roots are called propagative roots. Plants like orchids do not grow in the soil, so they cannot make food or absorb water from the soil. They grow on their plants and take in food and water from the stem of these plants. Such plants are called parasitic plants. Trees in the forest. Trees which grow in the forests are looked after by the forest department. As the tribal people who live in forest areas know the forests well and do not harm them, they eat the edible parts of the plants found in the forest and use some plants to make medicines. Some plants grow without being planted. They are called wild plants. Berries grow wild. Some wild plants are unwanted. They do not let the useful plant grow. Such plants, known as weeds, should be pulled out regularly. In cities and towns, gardens and parks are looked after by the municipal bodies. In villages, the panchayats look after the plants. Trees on the roadside are planted to give shade and check soil erosion. They are maintained by the government. People grow plants in and around their homes. These are domestic plants. The tulsi is an example of a domestic plant. People grow vegetables in their kitchen garden. They also plant fruit and flowering plants. Plants purify the air. The leaves and bark of neem trees are used to make medicines. Concept map. Plants root system. Tap, cotton, pea, fibrous, wheat, grass. Special, mangroves, prop roots. Aerial roots, water storage, buttress roots, propagative roots.